put more money in than you get in the first place, so yeah, do it that method. It's better.
This is kanuayrgum Network. We have interrupted our main program to bring you the following news announcers. It has confirmed today that the explosion has occurred at Widdrington Station. It was confirmed 400,000 people were affected by that dangerous explosion. It was mostly happened. Six chip indicator to six chip cut back up to port for cover like fair if you cut. The building in Moha 7 Studios is also destroyed as well. Everyone is affected by this strategy build now. Take here to rebuild the gymnasiums. It was also confirmed by Met Police that is happening earlier this afternoon. We're sorry for the Kaporians during these IV times, but the Stiado to it now, and Sheriff Gaga Cutter. Game advertisements are suspended now. Here's the news.